Yes, welcome. Let's continue. So I'm going to quickly stop this server by doing Control C. So once I've stopped it, I'm going to cd into the back end. Cd into the back end. So once I'm in the back end, I'm going to create some directories that we are going to be using. I'm going to be creating the folder known as model. I'm going to be creating the controllers folder and the routes folder, as well as the middlewares folder. These folders are going to contain the various codes that will help us to do this work effectively. And you know that to create a folder, you simply use the command make dir. That is make directory. That's the command. So first one I'm going to create is model. And after creating, you can see now inside backend I now have model folder. So I'm going to create controllers, make dir controllers. Good. So I'm now going to create routes, make dir routes. So you're going to have the routing files. Then finally I'm going to create middlewares. So I'm going to say make dir middlewares. Good. So those are the directories that I just created. If you look here, you can see them: controllers, middlewares, model, and routes. So inside them we are going to be writing the various code that will enable us to effectively work. Now you remember I created the ESLint RC. This is it here. You can also put more rules if you want, but I didn't put any rules now. During the unblocking from Andela, you're gonna get to know more about putting rules and other things. I don't want to bug us with plenty things, I'm gonna be stopping here. So in subsequent classes I'm gonna be putting files into these controllers, middlewares, and models so that they can effectively do what we want. Thank you.